What is going on, everyone? It is Garrett, and welcome to my kind of return video, my comeback video, whatever you guys want to call it. Basically, this is kind of my my video talking about my channel, what's going to be going on, whether it's now, whether it's in the future. It's basically going to be the same thing. It's running on the same foundation. The only changes is going to be basically on what I'm uploading, how I'm uploading, the schedule I'm uploading on, and just stuff like that. So I have a laptop right next to me. I'm going to keep looking back and forth, just reading what I wrote. Like I said, it's the same foundation. Everything's gonna be built off design, art, graphic design, Adobe, drawing, whatever it is, it's gonna include art in some type of way. I'm not gonna go over and start uploading gaming tutorials or walkthroughs or whatever that kind of shit is. It's mostly gonna stick to designing, but there's a little bit more of aspects I want to include inside my videos. So I think the biggest thing I want to talk about first is definitely the tutorials. It's got me where I am today, 23,000 subscribers, 2 million views. All that stuff's got me here today because of those tutorials, so I definitely want to stick to that kind of stuff. It's going to change a little bit, just like things I want to do occasionally, but like not every week. I want to start uploading more of a personality thing, whether it's a vlog, it's a gym video. It can be basically anything. It can be a motorcycle vlog, it can be me walking to a park, it can be literally anything I want, but I want to include some type of more personality aspect onto my channel. You guys know me as a kid that designs and stuff like that, but not really many people know me that I go out and I do things. I go to the gym all the time. My brother and I are gonna get a motorcycle. It's just a lot of things are going on right now. So I want to include that into my channel. Definitely the tutorials are going to change the way I upload. So recently, and mostly the videos that I uploaded probably the last couple years have all been more Twitter headers, advertisements, G Fuel, gaming, Fortnite, Call of Duty, all that kind of stuff. It's going to stay a little bit, but it's going to be toned down a lot. So I'm not going to be uploading Twitter headers, I'm not going to be uploading YouTube banners, I'm not going to be uploading G Fuel advertisements. However, I will upload these type of tutorials, but it's going to be more step-by-step on like things talking about perspective, talking about lighting, talking about all that kind of stuff. That's going to make you a better designer rather than you just sitting there step-by-step copying a stock pack, dragging shit into a document, and then saving it the way that is. I don't think that's helping anyone. It might make you guys learn a little bit, but honestly, I think, you know, making a tutorial on lighting would be a lot more effective for you guys in the future rather than me sitting there showing you how to make a Twitter header. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. I know it's going to be kind of a risky move since my channel is basically all these Call of Duty kids, but I think that it's going to be a nice change. It's going to help you guys get more professional. It's going to help you guys kind of build a career out of all this. So on top of that, the design cast, which is kind of my podcast of what I uploaded a few months ago, that's going to stay the same. It's going to be run off the same entire thing. It's basically going to start from the bottom though, and I'm going to work my way up higher and higher. So the bottom's going to be like, you know, starting a Twitter account, making a website, you know, free things to use, ways to promote yourself. And then it's going to get all the way into, you know, getting your highest paid client, getting, you know, really good clientele, getting reoccurring clients. It's going to be stuff like that that I want to include. However, I need to start from the basics so that everyone can work their way up from the beginning. I will be making random videos here and there, basically explaining that kind of stuff. But I definitely want to start from exactly from the bottom, whether it's a Twitter account, whether it's a logo, stuff like that. It's going to help everyone make a better account and a better branding overall. The top 5 designs, that's completely done. I want to just say that out right now. It's completely over. It's not going to turn on anymore. What happened is it got like oversaturated in the community, whether it's people uploading top 5s, top 10s, top 3s. Whatever it is, I think it got oversaturated way too quickly, whether it's I uploaded it, there's a lot of YouTubers that did it, and I'm not throwing shade whatsoever. I'm just saying that what I want to do, I want to start making my channel more of me rather than, you know, copying of what's trending, what people want to watch, and I wanted to make my own series. I want to make my own things. So replacing the top 5 is going to be this portfolio reviews thing, and it's going to be every week I'm going to take, I think about, you know, 5 to 10 portfolios. I'm going to break them all down. It's going to be like an hour-long video. It's going to be super sweet, and I think that that's the way I want to run my channel every week. So instead of a top 5 series, I'm going to do this portfolio reviews, and it's not going to be like, it's not going to have to be you know, amazing portfolios. It can be profile pictures you designed, it can be really crappy sketches, whatever it is. I want to see it, then I want to see the best stuff, and I want to put it all in a video together so it's random. Everyone can get an idea of what they should and should not do. and just basically run it from there. I think it's the best opportunity for people to kind of grow and go from there. But you know, honestly, this is just the way I'm thinking. I want to hear you guys. You know, the comment section is going to be basically the way you talk to me. Comments, emails, Twitter DMs. That's basically the way I need to hear you guys and see what you want to see. But I think this portfolio review weekly series is going to be a lot more beneficial than a top 5, because the top 5 was kind of the same people, you know, over and over again. It's going to same stuff, Twitter headers, advertisements, everything. What I want to include in this portfolio stuff is kind of different things, whether it's motion design, advertisements, and just stuff like that. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a lot easier for me to run this. The top 5 was low-key like a pain in the ass. Like, I would sit there going through like 200 plus entries all the time, and it's brutal. When you sit there on a laptop for 3 hours straight looking at entries, you get a little tired of all of it. But on May 7th, I'll have more information about my whole new series, whether the portfolio series, and how I'm gonna, you know, basically take away the top 5. If you guys like the top 5, there's a lot more YouTubers that do it. Off the top of my head, Aaron, Biggie, he's gonna be in the description. He's in my sub box. He does top 5s, top 10s. Sesso does it. Greg, he uploads, I think, top 5s, and he does portfolio review live streams all the time. But there's a lot of people. Swerve does it. There's a lot of people in the community, so you can always find your way on there. However, on my channel, I'm taking that out completely, and I'm gonna change it to this portfolio review weekly type of deal. So going on to my channel of the upload schedule. So Mondays are going to be, for me, it's going to be basically what I want to upload, whether it's design cast, the vlog, it's a personality video, it's a gym video, it's a workout video that I want to do, or it's something like that. It's going to be more so me. I want to get you guys more into my life. I want to help you guys grow. You know, it's cool and all to, you know, upload YouTube videos all the time. It's cool to make tutorials, to design videos, whatever. But if I can show you guys, you know, how to live a healthy life of, you know, working out, what I eat on a daily basis, how I lost 30 pounds within a year, that kind of stuff I definitely want to include. But like I said, it's going to be once a week. It's going to be on a Monday, and that's going to be the day that I upload whatever I want. It will also include the design cast, and sometimes it might be 2 or 3 uploads on one day. And that's just going to be the way I like to run my channel. So that's going to be Mondays. The next day that I upload are going to be on Wednesdays, and that's the tutorial days, and this is going to include Photoshop, Illustrator, drawing, After Effects, Premiere, Final Cut, basically anything that I can find a good tutorial on that I want to make. It's definitely going to be on Wednesday. Sometimes I might upload 2 tutorials on Wednesday, and excuse me, the reason behind that is because I can do a lot of things in Photoshop. Don't get me wrong, I can make logos in Photoshop, I can make logos in Illustrator, and what I want to do is I want to make like a design in Photoshop and then upload, you know, an hour later the same design I created but in Illustrator, so people can create that in different softwares, get a better vibe, get a better feel for everything. It's going to help other people grow into different softwares. Same thing with InDesign. I can show you guys how to make something, you know, printable on Photoshop or Illustrator, but I can also do the same thing on InDesign. Lower thirds on After Effects, lower thirds on Premiere. It's that kind of stuff that I want to kind of make you guys diverse in, and I don't want to upload, you know, let's just say a logo tutorial on Wednesday, and then the next week upload the same thing on Illustrator, the same, you know, whatever the next week. But I want to upload basically the same tutorial, just different softwares that day, and it's just going to help people grow and choose what they want to learn and stuff. Now Fridays is going to be that series I talked about, that portfolio series, and it's going to be pretty hard. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. Like I said, May 7th, I'm going to have more information on this. The way I'm going to be doing the submitting is going to be through email. I did the Google Forms link for my top 5 since I started it, and it was really good, but the email is going to be a lot easier. I can easily just scroll randomly and just click something, and that's going to be the one I choose. With the Google Docs, I just have to click that stupid arrow, you know, 200 times going through everything. And I think the portfolio kind of reviews on a random basis is going to be just a lot more beneficial. But like I said, May 7th is going to be more of what I can show you guys on that, more details and more stuff like that. So that's basically my week. It's going to be a minimum of 3 uploads a week, sometimes 4 or 5, depends on what I want to do. Like, for example, I'm going to tell you guys straight up, next week is going to be creating kind of a 3D Fortnite logo for your brand. I'm going to do that in Photoshop, and an hour later I'm going to upload the same thing on Illustrator it's going to basically be the exact same tutorial, just different ways to do it on a different software. That's going to help you guys grow. It's going to help you guys get better, learn the software a lot more, and it's going to help you guys just overall become a better designer. But that's really honestly anything I can think of. That's just the update video, the introduction video, whatever you guys want to call it, to my new channel, my new thing. It's basically the same exact thing I'm doing now. It's just going to be a lot cleaner. It's going to be a lot more on schedule. It's going to be more of a professional thing. I'm not going to be sitting there clicking away making a Forza Horizon 3 header while I can teach you guys how to make a logo, how to think about making a logo, and just stuff like that. I hope you guys just stay subscribed through this change. Honestly, I really have no idea what else to say. Just stay subscribed. Check in on my channel every week. Check in, make sure you guys can watch what I'm doing. If you guys don't like what this is going on, just send me an email, send me a Twitter DM, comment below. But definitely I want to hear you guys' thoughts on everything. As much I can think of, I just want to thank you guys for 23,000 subscribers, 2 million views. It's crazy. I'm going to college, and I was talking to kind of the group chat, and everyone's linking their YouTubes, and it's like 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 10 views on a video, 40 views on a video. And then I get to go on my channel and see 23K and then, 1,000+ views on all my videos. And it's a great feeling, and I want to thank you guys, so much for that. I will upload more videos about me going to college, about my moving date, about moving to Philadelphia, all that kind of stuff. But from what I can think of, that's about it. I don't want to make you guys watch anymore. I'm going to cut the video out now. Anything you have any questions about, my email is in the description below. It's also going to be on the screen somewhere around here. And then that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to keep commenting, and subscribing on all my videos. And I hope this camera and mic didn't turn out shitty. Peace.